Hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
Okay, we are going to talk about baking bread.
Baking bread.
Yeah, this week's lesson is about things that you can do. Um, Saying things like, I can do it. Let me show you. You like that? It says, I can
Ooh,
do it.
Could bake a cake. You could bake some bread.
Yeah, help
they're
out.
decorating the cake.
Put things on the cake. Yeah, you can help mommy and daddy out in the kitchen. So, what we're going to do today is talk about the things we can see when we go out. We can say hello to the baker. Let's see. Say hi. Hi, baker. And we know she's a baker.
Hi, baker. Ooh, look,
A,
she has lots of stuff, Penny.
yeah. How do you know she's a baker, Miss Mary?
Well,
What are the clues?
she has the special hat that chefs or cooks wear. She's wearing an apron. She's in the kitchen.
She's in the kitchen. Yes, there's the kitchen right behind her.
And she has like the tools for cooking. She's got the mixing bowl, and I see there's a whisk in her hand, measuring spoons, rolling pin, and then all the ingredients. Oh, and I see a cookbook too.
Oh, a cookbook. Yeah.
Yeah, that
tells you how to cook things, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we say hello to the baker, so we can go to the bakery.
Ooh, let's go to a bakery. We've got 85 degrees just down the street. That's a bakery.
Bakery is a special store that you can buy breads and cookies and cakes and pies. Right, Miss Mary?
Yes, and all kinds of goodies.
Yeah, there's one near you, as Miss Mary said, 85 degrees.
That's a good place.
Let's see. You can also make some bread at home. You know that? Yeah, put your hands together to make the sign and you twist. Make some bread.
Some bread.
Must be delicious. Make homemade bread. Or you can make hot cross buns.
Mm-hmm.
These are
They have like a cross on it, like an X.
like an X right here. Ta-da! That's how you know they're hot cross buns. And there's this song. We're not gonna play this song. It's called Hot Cross Buns. And then you can look at that yourself. We're gonna say goodbye to our baker, okay?
Bye, baker.
Take a look. Did you know that you can eat bread?
Eat bread?
Yum. I want to eat bread.
I want to eat bread.
To eat some bread. Ta-da! Then things you can do. You know that they smell pretty good. You can smell the bread.
Mm-hmm. Smells delicious.
Oh, the bread. They smell good, huh? Bread smells good. Like this. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Oh, good. And look at that. Blippi has all the bread. Yum. He's excited. He's looking at all the bread. All the giant breads. Let's see what else we can do here. We're going to go down all the way to our boom card. Okay. So we talked a lot about breads and cooking. We're going to show you the
look at that. That looks delicious.
Which one you want, Miss Mary? Do you want this top chocolate one or this bottom one with the strawberries?
I think I like the one with the strawberries.
This one. Let's bake a cake, it says. You can play this in your boom card account, okay? This is fun. You get to figure out what goes in the bowl. You see the bowl?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So it says, use the mixer to mix the ingredients. Oh, pretend there's stuff in here already, like eggs and flour. Which one is the mixer, Miss Mary? Is it this one?
No.
Or this one?
Yes, that's a mixer. The other one's a measuring cup.
Mixer. You turn it on.
In the bowl.
Turn it on. Let's see if we're right.
Yay, you were right.
Okay, now it says on the bottom here, put the cake batter in the pan. Oh, I bet there's cake batter in here. So we have to pour it in. It doesn't pour, but we're gonna pour it in.
You have to pretend.
Pour. Let's pretend. That's right. Pour,
Put
pour,
it in.
pour. Pour, pour, pour. There you go. Put it in the pan. The cake is done already? What? I think we're out of order. Let me see. What happened here? Oh, here we go. We got to do this part first. The game got messed up. I don't know what happened, but look, it says add chocolate chips to the bowl. Which one is the chocolate chips? Oh, there's only one
It's the brown one.
brown one. Oh,
Brown.
I see eggs.
Nope, those are white.
I see this one is a sugar.
Nope, that's not it.
No, this one says butter.
That's not it.
Okay, is it this one? Chocolate chip?
Yes, the brown one.
Put
Put it in the bowl.
Ooh, big chocolate chip. Yum.
Yay.
Okay, now it says add the butter to the bowl. Okay, let me see. Is it this one?
No, that's a chocolate
No.
chip, Miss
Oh, yeah,
Penny.
that's the last one we did. Butter. Which one's butter, you guys?
I
These
know.
guys?
Nope.
Which one,
It's
Miss Mary?
a rectangle. Where's the rectangle?
Ooh, this one's a rectangle. Is it this one?
Yep, that says butter.
The butter in. A whole stick of butter.
Yay, you did it.
And then it says add the flour to the bowl. Okay, which one's the flour? We know this one's butter. Chocolate chip down here. Where's the flour?
It's in a bag, kind of a yellowish bag.
A
Tannish
bag.
yellow, golden.
This one?
Yeah, that's
Ooh.
flour.
Okay, that's flour. I'm gonna put it in the bowl. Ta-da! Now it says add sugar to the bowl. Which one's sugar?
It's right there next to the chocolate chip.
Oh, next to it. So here's the chocolate chip here, and this one is the sugar. Let's put it in.
Yay.
Found it. Okay, now we put the cake pan in the oven.
Mhm.
We're gonna have to
Be
pretend
careful.
yeah,
Ovens-
pretend.
Ovens are hot, so only mommies and daddies and grown-ups can do the oven part.
Yeah, it's very hot. Be very careful. And we have to pretend there's a cake in there, right, Miss Mary? Look at
Yes,
that.
we're
empty.
pretending.
And then we're gonna put it in the oven. Oh, it's so strange. Now we're gonna make more. Okay, put another batch, I guess. Put 2 eggs in the bowl. I think this is the one. 1, 2,
2 eggs. Oh, there's 1,
1,
2.
We did it. All
done.
done. Okay, friends. Wow, that was a really fun one. And then here, I'm going to show you this one where you have a finished cake and then you can put candles on it to make a birthday cake. Which one do you want, Miss Mary?
I want the pink one.
Pink one. This one's blue. There's the chocolate one, the brown one. Here's the pink one. How many candles should we put on?
I think we should put 5.
5. Okay, let's count.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5. And then we can blow out the candles. Should we do that? Blow it out. All done. See, that was fun. Okay, friends, we're going to be all done with speech, and that was it. Have fun this weekend. Go play on your Bloom Boom cards for a little bit, okay? See you later.
Bye-bye, friends.
Bye.